I see a little piece of video. I couldn't even watch it live because I say, you know, if I didn't know Donna in a real life, long time when I hear Donna out here ball film back because I wouldn't stop thumping. I wouldn't want thumping yet in I'm back, you know. We're a young lady, first of all, she must, you know, the thing I'm not understand with them, the thing I'm not understand with these people, recipient, them watch Donna every day, but the part where Donna says she not the charity and nobody enough to come here, they not see that part there. Them not see that part. They come like the Christian them where you got church and then know a certain part in the Bible and then don't know a certain part. They're not reaching the part of the Bible yet. No. This woman got Donna here. That one in got Donna here. First of all, Donna no want nobody in here. Donna not the charity. Saying watching and all the while. When Donna asks her, I tell her she not the charity. But anyway, that's it. You come and so and anyway. Donna asks her what she want. The woman said to Donna, say, here we go. If Donna not help her, Donna want something like a so. Anyway. Now, Donna turn up. Bless up yourself, Loris. Now, when Donna come, and you want to tell me now, say you're gonna the woman here, but this is the thing with Donna I don't understand. Why Donna have to toe with this? I don't know how to spice and Donna. Which one of them I feel like I want just catch them. I want to catch Donna and Spice together, you see. And I'm saying just lick up the two of them head at either them. Pamela Queen. With me some I want just catch Spice and Donna and just catch them head and give me a little bit of here and just clap the two of them head together. Cause where you did Donna, where you did you toe to toe with the woman for? Where you did a toe to toe with the woman for? You're not helping if you ask her for what she want, that's if in case if it's something where you can maybe help it out of your pocket. Because let me tell her something. With all of who are saying Donna never did for yeah, maybe it's something she want, maybe it's a buckle of gas, maybe it's a bus here she want, Donna could have helped with that out of her pocket. If a charity me not doing but anyway what you need, maybe it's something where Donna could have just go in her bag and give her something. But we are continue to argue with the woman for when she says no in no more argument to that make the crosses go on. We are entertain the woman for and for all of who things say. All if the for all of who things, that's why in the world you have the needy and you have the one who have it. Not even God no help everybody. Him have the tenant, him have the owner, him have the this, him have the that. For all of who things say every time somebody got Donna yeah, Donna forgive it. No. No. Every time if it's on no. Cause if the whole of one ready that phone with that charity, uno do it to no uno always have a problem one time. If she help the people them, uno say she a scam. If she turn them way, it's a problem. Uno won't leave the woman alone. Her fear charity and a fear phone she's supposed to deal with. She not have to deal with it. Why uno never contact the woman, go call in and contact the woman and help the woman. She too out hard about Donna too enough too. Because from Donna action, she said so to Donna that I would never say another word with her. To her. I would never, hey, man, me tell her something, you know. Me have something, you know. I would never, hey, you don't know me. You, let me tell her something. Me tell you something. When me say answer, you see from when time I ask her, son, you see from when time I ask her, say, I'm not the charity now, but if in case nothing, she tell me, say, when me I ask for, Remember me, I tell you, say, me, wonder right at our gate right now, Lord Jesus, poor Donna. Poor Donna, I don't know what are these vagabonds. Are the devil, you know? A Satan. A Satan. Hey, let me tell you something, not charity. Them know say the woman, and this is what them know say the woman apply. Why they not got tap over rush by and beg? You know what Miss Debbie will give them? If them tap, they should give them. Why they not got tap over rush by and beg? Piece of chicken and sitting. And sometimes the bus fare or the taxi fare when they use, they then can buy. So my grandmother, when you can take it and tell me, I talk it already, I never food she not have. But she love give away. And she was a great cook. So when the food was she done, she when the food done, and me and her used to eat it. She said, come my girl, come. And my grandmother turn cornmeal with coconut milk because I one thing for my granny whenever out of my granny house. Cornmeal, sugar, and salt. Them there's something they not done out of my granny house. And he used to put on little tips so. And sugar pan for me cornmeal with the coconut milk and the gravy. Lord, me say me did love it, you see man. That sometime in bake the pudding. When I potato and bake the cornmeal, I say I get nothing, you know, because I no eat no dinner, because me make them eat for me food. You know, if you eat up this whole heap of axle, you get up with one little money, boy, little porridge, man, turn little cornmeal, man, with coconut. Cook up little macaroni with mince meat and vegetable in it, man. And nobody knows support much of them, so like make little drink water. Well, to you. How clean you must clean and your place must clean. Enough ton cornmeal me eat. Enough. Whether in a pudding or so. You know have a mentality on the say ton cornmeal. Because you can't. Let me tell you something. I mean not discriminate. You know say believe you me. You love oxtail. You're lucky. Me no love it. Me no love it for number one because they say that's the way oxtail is waste of money for me. Better me name fish and callaloo. Because they say when me buy oxtail, me they have to cut off. If me buy 2 pounds of oxtail, 1.5 pounds me get. When you boil it off, I don't like nothing with grease. I don't like oxtail. I am not an oxtail lover. And first and foremost, oxtail, me don't know what make of the tail of the cow if I did the heart. Me never see, but I must try this and use a fan in front of it, because I say, then the crisis of money, the are over. Let me tell you something. Are over. We don't know if you believe it or not. Me notice it, and my son like it, you know. My son like it. And we have restaurant at them have to eat. Because guess what? Before Corona, I notice that the price take time to go up. So when I go in a supermarket and I see it, because I tell us, I cut my eye past it and I tell him, say, you up skin. If I buy one bag of oxtail for come cook one time, I prefer buy chicken where you can eat for the week. And he says, alright. Me don't see the vibe, me I not buy none. Me not for me money now buy no oxtail. I don't want it because it is too expensive and it is not value for money. The bus fare and the taxi fare where them I look for God than a yard. And I want thing with them and I say people not to take care of them body. And when them I got the woman yard in the falls here, then the money want to buy up and the nails. For me nails now though, because I have to make 2 dumplings now and then. How could you tell a lot? Do you think, you know what I use? You know, I put on my nails, go what day, yeah. When me look and say you have some nice one in a home plus 3 gilda 75, that's about 2 US. And it come with the glue and everything. And I say, people, I take me hand and turn it make fashion. I file them down and I oh, you do? No, I don't do any nails. I don't do any nails. I buy nails. Them look good, I said, because I fix them. I file them down and make it look nice and something. If I want to buy a cow, when me did there at Jamaica, me used to have one meat man 4% me a cow tail. Me know what I don't want it. Whether I don't want any, it is too expensive and it's not value for money. I am very, very sorry my money now buy oxtail. Whether money for gift or something, me not going to eat it. It is too expensive. I don't know what the use of it. Me don't know if I because I hate the cow use a fan that it is too expensive. Me not gonna buy it. Me not gonna buy it. I'm very, very sorry. So me will think that me not the uno for take uno and Tony make and every you have healthy food and every food must be big food. The money we will not take for go down the nose so the woman a go for your award. Give the woman a break, man. You don't know so the lady have to go. The woman a plan. They when she gone, they when she left from Jamaica, what you go do? Go to turn up her gate till she come back? Me say oxtail too expensive for my money and me not buy it. Over 5 years now, my son used to like it and me always used to buy 1-2 pound and then me cook it and make him eat it 3-4 times. Freeze them and so but no, when you tell him no. And me can get chicken to feed me picnic for the woman. Nah, buy no oxtail, my love. Me not buying it. Not buying it. Me can eat and I eat from the Jamaica. Me eat out liver, saltfish, callaloo, cabbage. Hey. And that me love me vegetable, you know. Me don't know make me love me love my vegetable. I love me vegetable very much. Cabbage and callaloo and broccoli and pop chow and then the thing they can't too much to eat. Cannot too much to eat. Me we cut up lettuce and cucumber and tomato and then either me and throw a little cheese for me to get the protein and call it a day, or if me don't have any cheese or me don't feel for the cheese, or when I finish a drink I got a cup of chocolate tea and call it a day, you know. Me like my fruits and my vegetable. I like my fruits and I like my vegetable. I am very, that is what I will eat my food. Last night somebody gave me most about 11 mango and there's none to stand to be a witness now. Me eat my fruits and my vegetable. Me no want a big food. And then me get up and me one thing with me, that's why me love my daughter. She read rather sit and snack, but me love my son because I say anything to the flow. Anything to the flow. Picnic no eat this and picnic no eat that. No, when you get bigger you start work, you get picky. I mean, no. I'm not doing it. I'm very sorry. Anything to the flow. As long as it clean, as long as it healthy. A big fish and oxtail they want to eat. Get up in the morning, you boy like a porridge man after thing there. And got the wholesale and I got fine. Boy, I don't know what is these people problem. But them are going at the ear and them are going at the nails. So everybody have and then another thing with them. When you check a start, them bleach out. When you say sweet me or Miss Dina and go there if you back to school, you see? It's sweet me. When you check a start, them bleach out. Where you gone at the woman yard in a rain for? You know you're the woman, and not forget the woman respect me. The woman give her peace and space, but the woman go on about her business. And you see when she know help them now, they make fake page or go over in a comment section, go cuss and go long bad. She do enough, and if she can't help no more, somebody else take up the mantle. She do enough. If she can't help no more, just take up the mantle. Why me couldn't go call RT? By right. Anybody have RT number? Come with a beg RT want help this month to pay for my rent. Over, we want to beg RT something. Father God, see I know me not involved in that scamming, but if RT get 89,000, nothing else now go left in a phone or like a bank book. So me can go beg RT. Anybody have RT number? Send it to me. WhatsApp him and beg him something. I want to beg RT pay me for my tent this month. Only 350 US in my tent. No, my tent no expensive. And if RT get 89,000. As much as a liar fee him want, him can pay for thing there. Me not beg him not plenty. All me want at the tent money, 750. No. What's that? No, 500, that's a 300. No, man. $450. And then raise me and raise it. But 10 to 750 gilda. But even if me send me the 350, more than still happy and thank God. Anybody when want any donation from this month to RT, more than take some for RT. I would take some for RT. Anybody want donation, only no go for Auntie Donna and go on nothing no more go over RT. Contact anybody know RT number no can send me come want send him a WhatsApp and beg him pay for my tent this month because I not money for pay for my tent. Me not see my tent money yet. I don't see my tent money. So I'm serious. I got to go and beg RT. I feel like say RT me for beg. RT get 89,000 and him rich. Move to go back and beg Cora because Cora African we keep him. My grandmother say if you don't wash your dirty laundry in public. As a Jamaican to another Jamaican, you is a rich man and you get 89,000. And I make sure to tell you now, I can't go beg Kemara because Kemara struggle with fee rent also. Me I beg the rich, big top notch RT we a million here. RT did it, yeah man, beg help to play for me tent. If RT give me 350, you can make it up for me. Wanna make but because my count wrong already. Me don't know how me get it. 750 gil at 178. So I would have 350 because it's a 300 US at 540 gilda. Me I check the money. Me don't know how me make, but since me said 350 already for RT, now go say me a thing. Then me will take the 350. I wanna make up the rest. I me make up the rest. But I would really want RT phone number because I want RT pay for my tent this month. Man, this is the thing now. You see Uno? You see people like you, Olive, and Uno make the world stay so. Uno ask for what Uno need, hello Queen. Uno well, anything when get him buy one plane ticket, me sure when get more than 300. That's why me I take. Uno ask for what Uno need. Uno too greedy. As you see the man get money, you want 1,000. Me no want no 1,000. All me want is my tent money. That's why Uno stay so. This is why the world can't done. You just want. It's my tent money me need. Me don't need nothing more. I want the money for my tent. No, you want to get $1,000. People like Uno no eye too long. Where you do it to when me want me, I need it yet, but I man say I pay him liar fee. I broke you want go broke him? You run up outside the man for send me 1,000. Where me I go do with the 1,000? Me no need $1,000. Me just need my tent money. That is why. No, you want go in at the man liar fee. So you want break the man. It's people like who no make me. I was just talking about people and look what Olive come over here and do. Me know say me ask feet for Olive, but you cannot do that. You cannot do that. The man want him. So wait there. You don't just want, you don't want nobody else to live. The man want him money for lawsuit. The man say a whole heap of people him a go sue. So Chewing get 89,000. Me just a beg him for pay for my tent. You see all you know about one to Uno come off ya. Uno is a you know Uno make the world. You see that you know what I'm calling a red eye? I call on a red eye. As on a see the man getting 89,000, so on ready for you me out. Then if you get Alice to give me 1,000 and you want 1,000 pound, I wanna sit at I'm not telling you how I wanna stay. The man want 150,000 because he have to go sue a lot of people and get 89,000. I wanna really see the man shot. I wanna you would have really take 1,000 pounds from the man? Uno wicked bad. Afraid of uno. The man shot, so RT would have to go just sacrifice me tent. That's to keep me tent for me as a good cause. Take care, Queen. The man shot a money, and him a go just do a big sacrifice to me. For pay for me tent, for share the love. That's me not go out that door. How no want take RT money? So I no want him out the man liar fee. Uno no want the man for so. Uno really no want the man for so. RT number one. RT number one. RT a millionaire and he have money, so and he get 89,000. So me I look me tent out tight. Then that's why me I got to him because him rich, but listen to me. The man having money, you know, can't want to mash up the man business. You're not going to mash up the man business. You must stop it. You must stop it. You can't want to mash up the man business. Man got no Atlanta. I know a wing I look for. I think I look for more spice. Because then 2 names them I call. What a thing they go on on the media, yeah. What a thing they now give Miss D a break. The days is counting down. The day them a count down. I say I don't want Miss D film the event. I don't want she film the event. I want she wait all a month after she fling out the video. I don't want she film the event. But you know, so you got to come and tell you something and only PLANKA buy ticket. You have the one them where go just go for fast and only PLANKA buy ticket. Boy, you tell me never know say people could have wicked so to their own. Me never know say people could have wicked so to their own Jamaica and we're not doing anything. Why people wicked and people bad, sir? People too wicked and people too bad. Them too dangerous, man. And then turn right there. I want to see what RT they go now because they say where I look. Me I look in went me and they are tracing last night, Donna. Cause that, let me tell you something, it's funny how nobody know why you, but I want to know how Miss Bligger she everything she ready for. Although TikTok not do me like that today, me have him own minus. Everybody take them one side. Cause even Shibada, it was surprised me when Shibada come out because you know saying don't like her. And that's what that's how people must stay. Because to be honest, I'm gonna say this. RT did those spies for a couple of years. I can't because COVID that's so 5 years, 7 years ago. He did her very bad. Even talk about her son was not the father, and that's what I hate. People question people's child's paternity if they say who are they daddy. It's very sad because every woman know who breed them. Can you see when that baby born? You know who for pick me, and you know every woman know who breed them. Take it from me. And whether them want get, and it is, let me tell you the truth. May I go say this to you. And I go say this from the bottom of my heart. Every child deserves them right father. Every child. The reason why I say so, to avoid incest. But there and then again, every parents want what is best for them child. As sad as it might sound, every parents want what is best for them child. And at the reality of life. So sometimes people, but trust me, them know. Sometimes it work out good, sometimes it work out bad. Life is a challenge. And that's just the fact. And when him go for the kids them with the man, and they see that baby father there, he's not a good man, because the same. Bad to bad, when RT did attack, you could have tell RT, come out of that and leave that alone. And I hate when people drop people and they mix up, call up baby shaman and just a call up. See now a Shaggy and them a call up. See now a Shaggy at no time. Shaggy never come out past social media and say Spice daily scamming. And if he did have a problem with it, him would do a video with her. Blessings, Crackson. And if him wouldn't have a problem with her, with it happy. RT, and this is what I'm saying. Respect to Shibada. Respect to him. You know why? Even though him don't like Spice, him come out and him split justice. She never answer you, she never trouble you. Our only you one when time she come out. So you're going like only you one can swear, so oh you know you're going to win. And this is how people must stay. Give people them right when give the devil him right. We must stand up for right and wrong. The world would have better. You are singing, you say in a music business. You sing for counteract and you come out and you go cuss the woman and you go gala. Come on, for what? You help her, she help you. Cause it was brought to my attention that he got deported with some bangarang and then see a Spice helping for go back. She help you somewhere. Let me tell you something, people. If you get up this morning and you feel bad or you feel like you want to drink coffee and somebody give you a cup of tea, still thank God for it. Still thank God for it. Count your blessing. Nobody not obligated to help you. Nobody. If I even a word of encouragement and prayer you get, take it and move on. Mighty God, man. The man come out, they hear him now, hey, let me tell you something. You see the social media here? Let me tell you something. A lot of people, I mean, the year one blogger says a couple of years ago, everybody out here have mental problem because the man say, him did go, but two statement in him say him did go to the next life, but he come back. And him just come out like no up now when a woman let's say I'm bling. What is this bling upon social media say she not get 10,000 likes, she not talk. What bling thing say? I am sure Brit was, let me tell you something. Me personally, Brit did not give better show. Brit was giving better fun, better show than Blinger. Rosalie give better show. Cheese give there are more talented people over there. Me never go bother put when me and Chippy or World Dog and Switzerly in it. Them some me no know what Blinger go on about, what Blinger do. Blinger use her brains for the people them. Cause what you say she have Raja. She get mackerel. Blinger use the people them for highlight she. She use the people and for highlight she. And then she go on like that she want to put people. Why you have it and you're the queen? Blinga, you're not the queen of TikTok. Let me tell you something. When you don't have no confidence, from the moment you have to filter up yourself and filter diamond put on you, you have no confidence. You need to go and go gain confidence to know so the two spot them where you have in your face. You have to know say, well, that did when you're young and when you're old and third spot. When you did have teenage bump and when you're old and third spot, and live with that courage. Then you can't come out to come influence people, because that's where your true people say. And as a married woman, you can't influence her. You tell people say it is okay if you have your husband and have 5 picnic and they bring a tappy. Please. Stop it, man. Be yourself. You're too confusing. You come out, you say, you call RT wife tell us RT pass on. You don't know what pass on RT, you don't know what, but you come out, you come and you start beg money. No, you are RT, me don't know what me because I say RT, your man must be the pass spy side, and RT no like nobody because say RT run up all in a Shibada inbox there. He no like nobody with defense spies. Then now you come out in defense of your, I don't know him is what, of your man. And right away you dead and them tell me something now, Blinga, come here, Blinga. Blinga may have man friend, then Blinga I saw you careless because I said, let me tell you something. If RT did attend your money and your RT did look you and you keep it quiet, what make you come out with it now? You're careless. You should have stopped RT. When you go to RT, you should have deal with RT brother or business. You not run them joke there. None of my man friend I not run them joke there. Yale King, they make sure deal with them root. That means to say you know say nothing other there. So and RT did that send your money. So Blinga, you're careless, you know, Blinga? You're careless. You're very careless. A careless artist say you're careless if something goes so. Because RT not supposed to put them in question because una man and woman not supposed to be bridging. That not supposed to be. You're careless. And you should have put him in a place same time and run him away. You want me? I don't run certain joke. I don't run pum pum joke. Me no run pum pum joke. Me and you brethren, we are brethren. Me know you, you know me. Me do a run pum pum joke. Me and you can't have same thing and we are going like so we are brother. We are me no run pum pum joke. Me pum pum is off limit. I don't want no boyfriend. Me no do friends with benefit. So me want to know now what kind of careless this Blinga come. Blinga, you're too careless. You should never involve in a RT and a money scamming. You should never. How much a year cut, Blinga? Now you make it a look now like you're RT now because you want to call court and make how much lion and sinting also. Boy, you want 43 lion coupon you too. Boy, you don't talk if 10,000 like what coupon you too. A big old careless woman. But one of the past, make I want to make you tell another do. Practice what you preach and careful what you wish for. Because that's the last thing where somebody should have do. And then, but here and then again, I do wrong, you know. Because when you get up, you should have seen a page with only alone on it. Everybody should have unfollow one, but no, people love the banger. I'm telling you, nobody don't even watch news no more. Nobody don't even know where I go on no more in the news. Nobody now watch. Nobody, everybody life take over old and young. Everybody take over social media now for carelessness. All when they not go for old Tory bringing up. And go for whole live and play it. And go scrap out live and play it and say a record in a voice note. That's why anytime and I look at nobody, that's why I tell anything on a year on a feel like to believe because I say, yeah, some dangerous people out here.